Hey, what's up everyone? This is Conrad from Trading and More Reviews. I hope you're having an excellent day and welcome back to our channel. Today we'll be discussing about a service called YouDream Websites, which claims that if you just copy their free weird trick, you will make $1,000 per day starting now. But guys, before to get started, if you are new to our channel, I invite you to subscribe and hit that bell notification so you won't miss any future update about passive income, marketing and other related services with making money online. So guys, let's dive in. Okay guys, welcome to the YouDreams Websites, and we are going to tell you what it's all about with it. Apparently, the creator is a guy called Jake, who claims that he has created an online business for you for the price of $37. And all you have to do is to copy his websites in order to make $1,000 per day, which according to him is very easy and fast to achieve. Apparently, he has made $10 million in 4 years, and now he is giving you the chance to use his amazing websites, claiming that there are many scammers out there with get-rich-quick scheme systems, promising you thousands of dollars, and that's why he wants to make you believe that he is not one of them. But guys, if you watch the YouDreams Websites video, he is doing exactly the same as the other fake services. So the question is, why do we have to trust him? According to the creator of the YouDreams Websites, as I said before, all you have to do is to copy his websites and you'll be on your way to become a millionaire. But guys, this is not going to work because, for example, search engines like Google or Yahoo don't like duplicated content, which means you will not get free organic traffic from them. Basically, how exactly this Jake guy makes money is by trying to convince you to promote his YouDreams website system. So he is marketing this product in a misleading way, and next they will tell you to promote it in order to make money. But guys, honestly, I will not offer this service to others because it's not right to earn money by lying and scamming people. Let me show you something else, guys, because by the time I came across with the YouDreams Websites service, I noticed that it's very similar to other fake systems we've seen before. And I'm talking about products like Massive Internet Profits, Clone My Sites, and Profit with Our Sites. Actually, I'm going to share with you some of the YouDreams website testimonials, as you can see here, because they have exactly the same people in the videos, telling to the whole world how wonderful is the system and how much money they have made up to now. Finally, let me tell you something important about the YouDreams websites, because at the end of the video, this Jake guy shows you that there are $175 in the account he has created for you, but you need to pay $37 to access to it, highlighting that if you don't do it, this account will be for someone else who takes action, which, as you all understand by now, it's not true. So guys, the YouDreams Websites is just another misleading system full of lies and promises. There's no way you can make thousands of dollars just by copying someone else's websites. Yeah, by the way, in the disclaimer section, as you can see here, they clearly admit that the typical purchaser does not make any money using this system. So, as always, guys, it's up to you to join it, but we do not recommend it. And guys, I think that's all for today, and I really hope you can find some useful information in this video and hopefully to help you to stay away from the scammers. If so, give us a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please go ahead and do it. And of course, if you have any doubt, just leave me a comment or question down below, or simply send me an email at tradingandmorereviews@gmail.com. So guys, Thanks for watching, and I'll see you all in the next episode. Bye!